Hello wonderful person, this is Anton and welcome back to Surviving Mars. This is the next part and it turns out that we actually were able to solve most of our problems last time. And most importantly, the colonists survived the huge problem with the electric storm basically shutting down the water production and also the oxygen production. So they were not able to breathe or drink anything for a while. But anyway, I wanted to start this video by, oh, I need to repair this. Request maintenance. I wanted to start this video by telling you a little bit more about some of the equipment that we use here in this game. And specifically, let's actually start with the moisture evaporator. This is actually a technology that's still in development. It doesn't really exist just yet. But I wanted to kind of tell you about the science behind it. Now, if you ever sit outside on a very hot day and you hold a cold glass of water, you'll notice that water drops start to appear on the glass. And that's because the moisture from the hot air is being basically condensated on top of the glass. So warm air with cool objects will actually produce liquid water. And this is kind of what's happening here. The way this machine works is basically it uses this fan that you see to suck in all of the air really quickly, and at the same time it is being heated up by some sort of a heating mechanism on the inside, and then somewhere inside of it it's being cooled down really quickly, and this actually produces tiny droplets of water that are then being sucked in and absorbed into this tank. Now, in theory, this works pretty well. In practice, we haven't really been able to produce anything just yet, but this is something that will eventually be used in warmer countries, in hotter countries that have high moisture, specifically countries that might actually have problems getting clean water, to produce a lot of water. As a matter of fact, theoretically, you could produce up to about 150 liters of water per hour using about the same energy as just like 20 or so simple kettles that you would have at home. So it's a very effective way of producing clean water. But once again, it's still kind of theoretical. As a matter of fact, there's only maybe a few papers as of 2018 that talk about this kind of stuff. And most of them are still sort of just theoretical. There's no practical approach yet. Anyway, many of you suggested that I build a building that I destroyed early on, and I'm going to do this right now. And we're going to build the building that should have been there for a while, and I don't know why I got rid of it. And this building is, of course, the drone hub. So I'm going to put it right here so that it's actually covering most of the buildings. Or maybe right here. Yeah, this is actually a better position. Because drone hubs will automatically repair a lot of stuff that I'm having trouble repairing manually. And at the same time, they will also serve as a kind of area expansion for my ability to control the drones. I think I also need to place a power cable here because it's not really connected to anything right now. So let's place one right here. That should be enough, right? Okay, good. Okay, now we just wait, and hopefully this will automate my repair function here, because a lot of the buildings are getting damaged pretty quickly. Now, because things are not as resilient here, I'm a little bit worried about running out of resources, to be honest. I'm worried that at some point I'm not going to have enough resources to repair anything anymore. So I'm going to have to produce more and more stuff. So at some point the colony will actually start deteriorating pretty quickly, especially if you have a lot of buildings. Alright, so we can actually launch another BFR, send it back home. And... oh no, sorry, that's the other way around. One of them is ready to land. This is the one that's delivering stuff to us. I forgot what I'm bringing.
Our colonists are starving.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. Troubling. It is very troubling. Everyone is starving. I think it's because we don't have enough people, maybe, to produce enough food. But anyway, let's see what I did. I forgot what I brought, actually. Starving colonists. 1. Oh, it'd be so funny if they actually died of starvation rather than dying of dehydration and lack of oxygen last time. So this person right here, Marine Arthur, is starving currently. Now, why are you guys starving? Are we not producing food? Oh, this is unstaffed, that's why. Increase priority. Everybody should be making food. 2 colonies starving. That's not cool. So for this particular video, I don't actually have a plan just yet. I want to basically automate a lot of things just to make them easier. And we're going to try to maybe expand a little bit. In other words, I want to move a little bit farther into the area here maybe, but not just yet. Let's actually finish exploring this and see if there's anything important here. And also we'll need to kind of come up with a plan where we're going to have a variety of drones and a variety of other automated robots basically doing all of the work for us, so I don't have to check up on everything every second. As you can see, they're doing a good job bringing all of the tools here. I think I brought a lot of materials, right? I brought materials, polymers, electronics, machine parts. I also brought some buildings, I believe. I forget which ones, but we'll see in a second. And they're pretty happy. They're like little ants trying to... ooh, what am I missing? Food, okay. But yeah, they're like little ants trying to bring everything. I should have brought food. I don't know why I didn't bring food. No, actually, I shouldn't have brought food. Oh, they're finally farming. About time. Well, I think they'll survive. I think they'll be okay. They're starving, but they'll be okay. Alright, so how is everything else in our colony? Let's actually take a look at what we have going here. So it seems that in terms of resources, we have a bit of a surplus. Not a lot, but a little bit. Quite a lot of energy, as a matter of fact. Oxygen and water we can use a little bit more of. And I think we still need more food, and we definitely need to find a way to extract rare materials. Everything else we're okay for. Actually, these things, I don't know. We need to figure out how to produce them quick, because they're like machine parts are definitely used for repairs, and so are electronic parts. So I think I'm going to get eventually short on those. But we can now produce an electronics factory, right? Yeah, and we can also produce a machine parts factory. And oh, there's a lot of workers we'll need. So we need to bring more people.
Dust storm approaching.
Oh no, not again. Another dust storm, seriously? That's not cool. Alright, so let's... Okay, I learned my lesson last time. So we're gonna collect as much water and as much oxygen as we can. I'm gonna produce more tanks, actually. So how do I check what amount of oxygen I have right now? So okay, we have 176 water stored and 3.6 demand. We also have 100 oxygen stored and 0.7 demand. Is that... It doesn't actually say what... Is that per hour or per day? I'm guessing it's per hour. So I think oxygen we're okay with. I think. There's like at least 13 hours of oxygen. Well, actually, let's just build a... Let's build a bunch of these. I don't think I'll regret building more storage areas. And I think I'll definitely regret not having enough oxygen later on. Or water, that is. So, is it under here? Yeah, water tower and oxygen tank. Perfect. So, let's build a water tower, or actually 2 water towers right here next to each other, maybe like this. I'm gonna have like a whole collection of them. Oh, here, there we go. And let's build maybe 2 oxygen tanks in next to the oxygen production facility. So maybe somewhere right here. Okay, perfect. I think this should be good enough. I guess 2 will be enough for us to survive another dust storm. Well, let's see how this goes. I'm kind of curious now. Also, is this thing going to be repairing everything now? Drone load heavy. I think they're being pretty productive, right? Very good. So, okay, so far so good. We now will actually start focusing on... Well, I need to actually bring more colonists, right? So that's my next step. So let's see how this goes. I can only bring 4 more though, so that's not actually very efficient. Which means that let's actually make another another one of these buildings, another research lab. What is that called? There we go, living quarters. How? Oh, there's no space. There's no space. I can build them anywhere, right? Yep. So that means that maybe I have to make another dome. And that is not cool. How many people can live here though? Yeah, there's only 4 more spots available. Oh wow, look at this. This is pretty cool. Really nice effects. I think whatever I'm growing here, which is, it looks like wheat, is yep, it's close to being ready to harvest. And this person is doing a good job at being a farmer. Good job, Bella. Bella Jr., everyone. Bella Jr. What are you doing? Oh, you're also farming, right? Carmen Griffin. Okay, so we have 2 hours before the storm starts. Did we make enough stuff? Yep. Okay, so oxygen tanks are also ready. Oh, this one is not connected to anything. That's not cool. Let's build a few pipes by going here and... Oh man, I didn't place it in a good location. Why can't you not connect here? I thought you could. Okay, good enough. Alright, so the storm actually just started. I didn't even realize how fast it came. And I'm guessing it's going to be the lightning storm again, right? Yeah, looks like it. It got super dark suddenly, and I hear some background noises everywhere. But I think this time we're more ready for it. So let's see if we can actually survive this second dust storm without any serious problems. This is actually a sudden new goal that I have in this particular part. Surviving the dust storm, but this time without anyone starving or being thirsty or suffocating. So let's see how this goes. I think for the most part, I'm actually pretty happy with what we've created here. This is a self-sufficient... Oh, nice. Self-sufficient colony with, like, what, 10 people living on it? Way better than anything we've ever had on any other planet, really. Except for Earth, of course. Okay, so we found... Oh, 2 anomalies. Awesome. So where is this guy? A remote control analyzer. I'm going to set him right here to analyze these things. And 20 metal. That's it? That's nothing. It's ridiculous. Alright. I think once we finished scanning this area, basically once we finished with the top of Olympus Mons, I'm actually pretty happy with how far I've gotten. This is way more than I thought I could achieve on the first playthrough. I'm really impressed how far I got, actually. And this was on a relatively challenging mode with, like, you know, not enough money and not enough anything. Building not working. Oh yeah, that's because of the storm, right? No, because not enough workers. Yeah, a dust storm and not enough workers. So that's, I guess, the next priority. Bring more people, but I need to figure out how to bring more people and have them live here. As in, like, I need more space for them to live. So, can I just bring 4 without really paying anything? Or, like, not paying much, I guess? I guess that would be so inefficient bringing 4 people. But maybe I can bring like 4 amazing people. Like 5 crazy amazing people. Let's do that. Let's choose like the best of the best. I guess a guru, not a tourist. What does vegan do? I don't know what vegan does. Okay, I'll bring some vegans. I mean, yeah, why not? Then let's choose someone that has almost no flaws. So basically, like a perfect individual. Oh, okay. So there is no perfect individual out there. Damn it. Okay, so we need to select people not too crazy here. So maybe loner. Yeah, why not? And okay, that's good enough. I don't know if there's anything else I can select. There's only 9 people that way. Okay, that's enough, I guess. And we want to have as many perks as we can get. And also, we want to have someone who is a specialized botanist or geologist or an engineer or a scientist or maybe a medic. I don't know if I don't need any security people just yet. All right, so can you bring me 5 of these people? 12 passengers on board a rocket, only 5 spaces for people. Launch 5 passengers. Alright. I don't think this actually costs us anything, right? Surprisingly, bringing people to Mars is free. So we're just going to bring more people, and hopefully this will give us a little bit more people to work on different projects. And meanwhile, let's actually wait for this dust storm to dissipate. There's about 1.5 days left. And so far, no one is complaining. No one is starving. No one is dying of anything. I'm really, really happy with how this is going so far. We are even making more food, which is great. Now, how good am I on water? Oh, wow. Plenty of oxygen and plenty of water. So this was
living in cramped quarters, tinkering with intricate machinery day in, day out. There's plenty of opportunities for slip-ups.
Okay, so apparently we have an idiot amongst us. What's happening here? Heidi Presley is not like most people, and instructions and warnings seem to be little of no use. That's okay. I mean, what am I gonna do? Send her back? She's cool. She's an idiot. I wanted an idiot on the planet. You know, sometimes you need an idiot to be successful. Making mistakes is how you learn. Okay, so let's accelerate this a little bit more. We're going to run this a little bit faster because I want to get rid of the storm. But also... Okay. Oh, wait a second. I forgot something. Yeah, I wanted to place another one of the repair thermajiggers here. This is what I forgot to do. Let's place another drone hub in this area because there's actually quite a lot of resources here as well. So I think I'll be able to expand in this location later on. But basically we want to cover, we want to kind of cross them a little bit and cover as much as we can. There we go, place it right here. And give it some energy as well by connecting it to power cables. Perfect. Where's the power cable? Excellent. So this way I'll repair this and also at the same time, or I mean auto repair this. Whoa, did you guys see that? There's an asteroid that just crashed right next to my beautiful creation as I was talking about stuff. Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, that's right. So now I'll be able to essentially repair everything really fast here and expand my area just a little bit. So this was an interesting collision, right next to everything that I care about and stuff. I wonder if anything was gonna get hit by an asteroid. Actually, I'm kind of curious. We now have microgravity medicine and utility core. Okay, that's here, right? No. No, maybe not. Not sure where that is, but we'll look at research later on. For now, I want you to analyze the second anomaly. And let's see what it gives us as well. Okay, one more, just over 1 day left before the storm is over. But I think this time we're actually fine. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to survive these storms just fine from now on. So we have nothing to worry about. Now, what I need to start worrying about is maybe running out of resources at some point. But for now, as I'm looking at this, I think I'm okay. You can kind of see metals disappearing slowly, but that's because the little drones are using them for repairs and stuff. So I may need to actually start collecting more resources using... is it this guy? Yeah, I think it's this guy. So you are going to go and collect some stuff from me, okay? Specifically, I think this right here. Is this collectible? No, it's not. Just rocks. Where's the metal at? That's not metal. Why am I having trouble finding it? Huh. Interesting. Oh, is it here? There we go. So this will give us more metal. Okay, so we're low on food again, and I'm really surprised because I did build like 2 farms. This is really surprising.
Breakthrough discovered.
Hive mind? Are you kidding me? Yes, I want that. Where's that? Where is that? Is that here? No. What is hive mind? That sounds amazing. Is that like an ability for us to have... Oh, okay, here we go. Residents in the arcology get a bonus to work performance based on the number of unique perks and specializations of colonists living in arcology. Oh, okay, so it sounds like if I have a bunch of same people living in that big building that I haven't built yet. Ooh, that gives me an idea. I'm gonna build it. This is going to be basically right before I end the series. I'm gonna build that arcology thing. But yeah, if I have a bunch of people living there and they work together and they have similar perks, they will be more effective. So arcology I haven't built yet, mostly because it is ridiculously expensive, but I can totally build it right now. Right? I have enough concrete, enough polymers. Oh, power. I might not have enough power. It needs 20 power. Actually, yeah, we can get away with it. Let's do it. Let's actually start building it right after the next colonists arrive. And well, let's see if we actually need arcology first. Maybe the 5 new people that are arriving here will be able to cover all of this. But I think the mistake I made was actually building the research center. This is a big white elephant in the room. It's not particularly useful. And I'm thinking, I mean, it is useful. It is giving me more research, but I don't have enough people to work here. And it's just wasting materials. Grocer I need. Garden is great. This not so much. You know what? I'm gonna, maybe this is a stupid mistake again, but I'm gonna salvage it. Yep, we're salvaging it. I don't think it's that useful right now. It's not working anyway. And we can use this for something else more efficient and more important right now. Infirmary I definitely need. Farm I definitely need. Diner I think I need. I guess it's like a social experience for people. Spacebar is taking a lot of space, but I'm guessing I might need it as well. Or should I just get rid of a spacebar and leave this? Okay.
Scientists and visionaries have promoted the idea of humanity as a multi-planetary species as the only way to prevent a possible mass extinction.
Oh, okay. So this is a new, I guess, storyline related goal that I have. It's called the Exodus. It says, can you have 200 colonies at Sol 100 to basically succeed here? We can try. We're 1/4 there, and we only have 9 people. I think if I build that building that I was just talking about, arcology, it will already kind of put us maybe halfway there. But we'll see. So okay, so what does this give us? Exercise and social. This gives us relaxation, drinking, social. Is there any other relaxation anywhere else? Maybe not. Okay, so the relaxation part is missing. Oh no, they can go to the garden and exercise and play there. I think I'm gonna remove the bar as well. Yeah, we're gonna nuke the bar, and we're gonna build another the residence here, not the dining hall. We're gonna build a residence. So these are lessons I'm learning by basically trial and error. Let's build a living quarter right here. Boom. And there's another spot left. Maybe we can place a farm, a grocer. This thing, hydroponic farm, right? Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Although I believe I can also wait. Can I produce a farm that is actually built outside yet? I think it was like a mushroom farm or something. Where's the food? Here, life support. No. Food? Food? Oh, fungal farm. There it is. Research low G fungi to unlock this building. So I think this building is actually built outside of the dome, so it can produce more food that way. But until I get that, I don't think I can, or I should. I don't think I should build it. What else can we get? So security. What does this give us? Crime created by renegades and reduces sanity loss. Oh, okay. So this is not very useful just yet. Luxury in shopping. Not very useful yet. Shopping and gaming. So none of these buildings are actually that useful yet, so I'm gonna keep this for later. But I think I need to build these two eventually, because I want the people that I bring start working and producing a lot of parts that I don't have to bring from Earth anymore. Or should we maybe build another hydroponic farm? I think this is going to be useful. A lot more useful than anything else, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna build another farm. So let's go in here. And where is it? Okay, here we go. So this will be, I think, more important than anything else, especially when the new colonists arrive, because we do need more food and more water and stuff. Okay, so now we just wait. Oh, and the storm is over, by the way. We survived another storm, yay! And this time, did we actually... Were we okay on resources this whole time? It sounds like we... Yeah, the oxygen got to about 79, I guess. But that's it. Awesome, so we can bring more people and still be okay. We now have a fully functional colony that can survive relatively easily, pretty much anything. Except for maybe meteorites. Yeah, those will be difficult to survive. Anyway, so nothing's found in the sector. That's not cool. And now we just wait for what? Oh, here's our colonists. Yay. Yay, everyone. Yay. Bringing new colonists. Now, can I send one of the rockets back yet? No, not yet, right? Why are they charging them separately? Charge this one first.
Crop failure reported. New colonists have arrived.
5 new colonists. Excellent. Okay, why do I have so many crop failures? I don't get it. Am I doing something wrong? I wonder if I'm doing something wrong. But now that we have more people, we have, what, 15 people now? We'll hopefully cover some of the new jobs, right?
Pipe leak reported.
Pipe leak, where? Fix it. Let's see how fast they'll fix it automatically.
Complete.
Research complete. Very good.
Resources
Yay!
are low.
That was pretty low. That was pretty fast. Okay, so what's this? Food. Food is low. Research. We still have a bit of a queue here. And new colonists have arrived. So apparently the new colonists didn't really fill all of the positions. I still have no grocers here. No one working as a doctor and no one at a diner. But at least we're producing enough food. Now, because we have more space now, I think I can actually maybe bring more colonists. Oh, wait. Power shortage? Oh, that's because it's nighttime. Okay, so I need to start being more aware of this. Yeah. So it's something that might actually become a problem later, because we are not really producing enough energy at night. But as long as our batteries are full. Yeah, the batteries are actually kind of full. That's good. Alright, so far so good. So now we're just kind of wait. And I think while I'm waiting, I'm going to actually just maybe skip a few parts here until something important happens. And we'll continue this in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've been enjoying this playthrough. I'm going to try to make it a little bit more educational and basically kind of give you, once in a while, give you some ideas on how the science of all of this works. Because this is actually pretty realistic. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Space out, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, bye-bye.